So if you ask me where I'm riding, somewhere in Yankton County, I have no idea. Just headed out. The great thing about riding in the evening is chasing the sunset, between a lot of traffic stops. Bro, it's just a funny. Temperature just dropped about 15 degrees right here. Well, you know you're getting on a good road when you ain't got no more lines. It's probably just flooded out so many times over the years. Yeah, showing up in the cut. You can smell the barns and the wood burning. Cut trees up there. Beautiful area out here. Seeing these rolling hills as you go down the road, instead of seeing the twisting curves coming ahead. So it's really cool to see these rolling hills going down the road right here. And usually when I get towards the mountains, I see a twisty curve. And that's the two fun, beautiful things about riding a bike. Who loves to see. King Water's Helment. Beautiful little back road we're heading down. Really enjoying this. Oh yeah, thank you for getting all the grass out the road and trying to fix the lawnmower on time. That's really awesome. 2 thumbs up to you, buddy. Just not my thumb.
Southern rock tonight, steel guitars and a neon light. Raise your glass to the outlaw song. The spirit's burning and it's riding strong from Skinner smoke to away.
Wow, this is turned out to be a really nice little back road.
Still takes control, so crank it loud and don't you stop. We're reviving Southern rock.
Mount Pilot. That's pretty cool. Back road, sunshine. Yeah. Let the sun go back. Man, it's shit awesome. I can see better now. And there's a bunch of probably getting a big bug on it. You're saying yes, so in lieu of my favorite gas station, guess where I'm going? Yep. See? Why the peace sign? Never been to cute little town. Right in the outside of Mount Pilot area. And the most you get if I can is why you ask? Well, I got a Chiefs card. It gives me points. I got a Chiefs credit card. It gives me pennies up to 5 or 10 cents per gallon off. And then, honestly, I'll eat here in a heartbeat. I need to eat here, and it's usually reasonably priced gas, and I've never really had any issues with Chiefs. So now you know. I guess this one is sort of safe for sunset to give me running away from sunset because the sun is literally behind me. But swinging out of Polk County back into Fort Pike, rolling down the road. About the mid-80s. Man, it's beautiful. I really like it. Just great. That's a wonderful out there. I'm trying to use some other words than gorgeous and beautiful because, man, you guys probably think every time I ride that it's gorgeous and beautiful, but it seems like lately every time I ride, it's gorgeous and beautiful. And I like every bit of it. I don't know what ride when it's gorgeous and beautiful. But I'm going to say it. I do like to ride when it's gorgeous and beautiful. So, we're headed back to Canada, Louisville. And we're eating Old Beach there. I'm going to get a little ride on the way. But it's pretty. So, funny story. We pretty much rode by a beach place on the way out since the sunset this evening. If I'd have known he needed what he needed, I should have just swung by and dropped it off then. But until then, I guess you guys can just enjoy the rides and the best enough. Best enough. There you go. City limit. Either there or right down here on the left. There may be a church right here on the left. Moravian Church. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the oldest church right there. Cute little town. Been there here a dozen times. I'm here here on the video where I took the long way to Virginia. And short time to get there. No, long way to Virginia, and we're able to hit that. Might swing right by and take a couple fishes in the surf.
Yeah, I don't know if the video will do that thing, Chuck, but man, that was a chrome deep glasses on that. Short, right there. Bridge right here, sister. Just made it to the house. I guess just in time. Sounds like Banks rolling in. Like it? Right. I like it.
What I like is I don't get bright lip with the yellow. Put that white one in, it's so much sharper.
Yeah.
And every car I've got. Turn your lights off and I go.
It's not on.
I put my bright lights on, you can see their face go.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
Y'all assholes. I love that yellow light though.
Yeah, that's right.
I've got the white one on my Road King. Oh.
Well,
God, that Mustang seat beat the shit out of that other one.
really.
I actually enjoy it quite a bit. I will not complain about this one. Hey. take it apart and paint my hood back. I can walk.
I literally haven't even tried the other one on there because I hadn't put the darn thing on the bike yet. I put it on. I was going to ride it down to the